Hello everyone, today's video is all about UK export finance. So this is a government department with the authority to promote and provide funding to UK businesses who want to export overseas or who already are exporting overseas, just to make life easier for those companies. Now, specifically the UK Export Finance organization has a facility. It's called the General Export Facility, the GEF, and this was set up with the aim of unlocking more working capital for those companies that wish to increase their export sales. So for UK companies wanting to do more exports overseas, the General Export Facility provided by the UK Export Finance team is available, and you need to think about this. So what does it mean? Well, basically it means that this government quango, if you will, they will guarantee 80% of financing to lenders. So let's say the High Street Bank lend money earmarked for a company for exports to increase export sales, and the government basically will guarantee 80% of that. So it makes it more attractive to the banks to then make the loans. So certain conditions, of course, with this maximum repayment term 5 years, and it's used for things like just straightforward cash facilities such as trade loans, or it can be contingent obligation facilities, for example bonding and letters of credit lines, that sort of thing. And it's basically up to 5 million per UK exporter. So to get your hands on this, there's also certain criteria, such as in any one of the last 3 years, 20% of your business turnover must derive from export sales. Or alternatively, if you haven't met that condition, in each of the last 3 years, 5% of your turnover must have been from export sales. So really, for those looking to do this for the very first time, you're not going to meet that criteria. So it's really for those who've already dipped their toe in the water in terms of exports and looking to increase the volume of those exports, but struggling to increase volume of exports due to working capital. This is meant to unlock that by providing 80% guarantee to the banks who lend to these companies that do export. So some other conditions, as you can imagine with anything, there's often a lot of hoops to jump through. You have to have premises in the UK, you have to have employees in the UK, and you have to be paying UK national insurance and corporation tax. You also have to be manufacturing goods or providing services or producing intellectual property from the UK. So if ever that were needed to be proved, that you would qualify for a UK Chamber of Commerce certificate of origin. So basically you have to be doing your business from the UK to get access to this UK government back guarantee from the banks. And all the main high street banks are part of this. So the likes of Santander, HSBC, Barclays, Lloyds, RBS, they've all signed up to this. So it's worth having a look at. If you are already doing some exporting overseas and you're looking to do more, but you're struggling to get finance to fund the overseas trade expansion, have a look at the General Export Facility under the wrapper of the UK Export Finance, and see what you can get hold of. So that's just a quick video there on the General Export Facility. If you do like this video, please do subscribe right there, and I will see you soon.